one of the boxes that's supposed to be my glass has arrived. Again. So this box, I think, is actually smaller than the first box I got that only contained the seals that are sitting in the back of that truck right now. The other box was supposed to be here today. It hasn't shown up yet. It should be gigantic like that one for the windshield. I assume all the flat glass is in here. I don't really know. Now, if it were me and I were shipping glass, I would probably write fragile somewhere on this fucking box. So, I mean, it's beat to hell. Sandwiched up here, somebody dropped the fucking thing, right? So, why it's not labeled fragile anywhere, I don't know. Here's the bottom of it, right? So, I'll put you up on the old tripod here and open this thing up. You know, because this is the second box I've had to get, and I don't want to have to do this again. Now, if I can find my knife, that'd be fucking sweet. Hold on, man, it's probably in the buggy. Let's grab it out of the buggy. I'll just let the anticipation grow. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. Okay, so this glass is supposed to be all the glass and their custom gray tint. All right, this box is now empty. All right, we got some other boxes in the box. Pull this outside. Put the back window there. Honestly, I'm surprised this glass isn't busted. The way that box was treated. And it is the gray tint, so that's good. This is supposed to be 2 side windows. It looks like there's 2 there. These are the 2 little, wing windows. This is the back window. It's taped together. Nice. Let's see. It's taped together on all the sides, apparently. This place, Auto City Classics, they say you gotta let them know within 24 hours of delivery if there's an issue. So we're gonna open this shit up and see if there's an issue. I gotta find somewhere safe to put the glass while I do the other shit. Maybe I'll do the glass this weekend. I mean, I doubt it. I mean, I can't do the windshield because I don't have it yet, but I might try to do the rest of this glass. We'll see. There it is, the old DOT glass. There's a label on it. PMK diamond glass, it says here. Euro gray. So, that looks like it's right. I wonder if it's the right width. Let's see. Here's my tape. Make sure it's the right window. You know what I mean? I think there's any markings on here saying what it is. Auto City Classic. Order number, serial number. No, nothing. Doesn't say what fits or nothing. So, it's about, this is the dumbest tape measure too. I'll show you this in a minute. 3 foot 7 inches. So, well, no, 3 foot 8.5 inches. This tape measure, as you can see, it starts over every foot. Who the fuck makes a tape measure like that? Now I forgot what I said. See? You got me off topic. 3 foot 8.5-ish. Well, yeah, I'm measuring the seal and everything, so hopefully that thing fits, man. It looks like it's gonna be the right one. Let's open this shit. Got some padding in there, that's nice. Alright. Part number here. They look like windows, faux show. I'm just gonna check the other glass here. I'll probably just cut a bunch of that bubble wrap that came around all of this and sit this stuff on it. Maybe up in the loft or something so it's not in the way. It can't fall down. I'm propping it up somewhere. I wonder where this shit's actually made. India? Is this shit made in India? Is that where where PMK glass is made? Here, what's this language here, man? Let me know if you know. Lower left? Is that the language for India? I don't know. That's my guess. Let me know if you know. You need a blade in this thing, man. Doesn't look busted or nothing. One more to go. See what happens. This one also does not look busted. So hopefully these are all the right size. And I think it'll look pretty good with that tinted glass in there. The front windshield is going to be green tint with the green sun strip up top. So I thought we'd give it a little bit of that old school look going with that one. And then the rest of these will be, you know, that gray tint, Euro tint. All right. That's my glass, man. Finally, I got some. I'm liking that. So I just need the windshield, and we'll be able to do glass and everything in this. My goal today is finish wiring all the turn signals and lights and other bullshit, and get the dash at least somewhat put back together. This is the new turn signal switch that came today. So let's see what's in here. Old Chinaman special. Plastic chrome. So you just use the old hose clamp. They give you some cheap bullshit one, I'm sure. Oh yeah. Oh, that's straight China right there. I'll probably use a good hose clamp for it, but get that thing wired up today. This glass put somewhere safe, and get the rest of the shit wired up. I started cleaning up a little bit of this wiring. I mean, it's just kind of the stay for right now, but I tied up some loose shit, and I need to get rid of some of this other stuff still. But that's what I got for now. We'll see you guys.